Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make steak shish kabobs. Start by trimming excess fat and cutting steak into even 1 to 1.5 inch cubes. Thread steak alternately with vegetables on skewers for balanced cooking. Preheat grill to medium-high and oil grates to prevent sticking. Cook kabobs for about 3 to 4 minutes per side until desired doneness, then rest briefly before serving for juicier results. Marinating is key to flavorful steak shish kabobs. Combine oil, an acid like lemon or vinegar, salt, pepper, and herbs or garlic to build a base. Add soy sauce or Worcestershire for extra savory depth, and a touch of honey if you like subtle sweetness. Marinate in the fridge for at least 30 minutes, up to a few hours, but not too long with delicate acids, or the meat can tighten. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more recipes. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth changed how many people think about money, and it makes a funny companion while you grill since it helps you budget for great ingredients. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Grilling steak kabobs is fun and straightforward with a few habits that make a big difference. Preheat to medium-high so you get a nice sear without burning vegetables. Oil the skewers or grill grates to prevent sticking and keep pieces whole when turning. Rotate kabobs every 3 to 4 minutes to cook evenly, and use an instant-read thermometer to hit your preferred doneness without guesswork for consistently great results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.